Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Dipanita and you're watching Artsy Nails Nailology by Dipanita, your guide to beautiful nails every Friday night. So this video was a much requested one, so I have brought to you today 5 different types of short nail designs that you can easily do without any tool. Therefore these are mostly color blocked geometrical designs because that's the easiest to do freehand. So yeah, here we go. So I have painted my nails in different colors, and please pardon me if you do not think my nails are short enough, because I cannot help it. It's the shortest my nails can go because I have skin underneath my nails. So yeah, you have to bear with me, and I hope you can do these designs even if your nails are shorter than mine, and these designs can be done on longer nails as well. So let's see. So I won't be doing much voicing over for this video because it's just about following the steps and drawing straight lines with your nail art brush. And if you're not comfortable, then you can always use a sellotape or scotch tape or even paper to guide you. And I have a video on how to do color block nails in different ways, so I'll just give the link in the card. There you can use a variety of stuff available in your household like threads, rubber bands, etc. for doing the color block designs. So it's really very easy for beginners. And yeah, this is an important tip: whenever you're applying more than one layer of color for these kind of designs, make sure each of the layer has dried up first, because we're putting on another layer. So while I am not voicing over what I am drawing, I can tell you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given right there in my description section, so make sure you check that out, because I keep posting different types of nail art on my Instagram and Facebook, some of which I do not upload tutorials of in my channel. So you can follow me there and keep watching my nail art. Do the mainstream stripe with the black nail paint, but you can always go for the stripe if you feel like. And just like I left a little bit space between the black layer and the pink layer, you can keep that space and you can experiment with the position of the stripe. So these were the 5 beginners friendly tool free short nail art. So do not forget to tell me in the comments if this helped you, if this was what you were looking for. Your feedback is very valuable for me, because that's where I come to know what you want to see in my channel and whether this was easy enough for you to try. So do not forget to give me your feedbacks, whether I could live up to expectations or not. So yeah, I'm gonna see you next week again with a new type of nail art, and in the meantime you can like my video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you find my work lovely. And that's it. I'll see you next week again, so take care, have a great week.